Hi quilters! Welcome to our quilting sessions. I am Aline.
And I'm Natasha.
Today we are going to do a very fun border design. So let's get started.
So here we have our border, the black one, and we're going to start with a loop. It could be a smaller one or the biggest one that is possible in that border. It doesn't really matter. And then we will do an arc to the other side of that border and return to that same side. And repeat that all over our border like this. You also can do a more, let's say, larger design like this, It could be more space between them or less space. It also doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is that you try to keep the same distance.
So your design will be consistent all over your border.
And then you should try that on paper or whatever you have that, to do that as many times as you feel confident to go to the machine. So I'm going to catch my bobbin thread first. I'm with a light blue, kind of green. What is it? Like a turquoise thread. And I'll do here a
Block stitch?
yes, block stitch. So I will start with the loop all the way to the other side and then the arc. Now I'll bring my arc to this side again and restart everything. Repeat loop. I loop up, yeah.
And down. And now up again. And now down with an arc.
Yes. So I like my loop to be basically the width of the border, but as I said, you could do it smaller. This is an easy and beautiful design you can do in your borders. And now the last one, the loop, the arc, and I'll take off my pin. So now I'll have to squeeze my arc fit, and I'll just lock stitches over here where my binding will cover it. And that's our design.